So apparently the dog ate my homework. No, Scout, no! No, you're eating my homework. No, I worked so hard on it. Why would you do this to me? You're so mean. Oh, you ate my homework. Wow. I can't believe I have to start all over because somebody decides to eat my homework. You enjoying homework for dinner, Scout? Is it tasty? Is that tasty, little shit? Now look at him. Look what he's doing.
Now I gotta clean that up.
You little shit scoo. I cannot believe you ate my homework. My hard work down the drain, down into Scout's.
You're being ridiculous now. No.
The way you look.
I am so tired.
Oh
How
no.
come I can't sit, Ayana, and relax after doing all the dishes? I don't get to sit and relax either. Who's this and relax?